Hello everyone, this is Jim from Data Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 28th of January, Friday, intraday analysis. On this video, we will cover some news first, then we will go ahead with our charts. First of all, this morning we have received some data from European countries. France, Spain, and Germany have published their last quarter of the recent year, last year, fourth quarter GDP growth. So, how were they? France was positive, just slightly higher than expected. On a yearly annual scale, it was the biggest yearly annual rise because the previous year on 2020, they have seen 8% contraction, and in 2021 they have seen 7% rise. Still, it's not at the same level of 2018, 2019 levels of economy. In Spain, expected was 1.4, and they have just released as 2% increase on the last quarter. And in Germany, expected number was minus 0.3, and then they have released as minus 0.7, worse than expected situation. So the main issue for Germany was energy prices, just limited GDP growth, and also fourth wave in Germany has affected service sector, so the prices and the activity of service sector has just low. That's why we have seen quarter to quarter 0.7 decline in German market. All right, let's go ahead with our charts. First chart is silver. As you can see on our chart, silver is on free fall. Yeah, really on free fall. This is the daily. I just want to show you a daily level of silver, and it has tested 24.70, and with the expectation of war between Russia and Ukraine. Let me just show you something important for you. This is really different scenario. Let me just show you this one. It's better on weekly. All right. Here you can see how stable USD and Russian ruble. You see for the 5 years between 2009 and then in 2014. For 5 years it was all stable. And Crimea annexation by Russia, it just climbed that one really high levels, and as you can see here, so kind of easy time for here, but still so high. Then Donetsk region, all these things just went on high tension period, and we see. So how far can it go? From this level, if Russia attacks Ukraine, there is a mathematic of every war. That's why they just kind of just said, all right, we are not going war. So after that ceasefire talks and other things, all things, it just declined from 80 to 67 levels in just 3 days. That's the reason of why I'm saying like on previous, on previous videos, I just told to our followers that silver will decline when we just hear some good news from Russia. It just happened, and right now testing 22,400 levels. From this level, it's already just like here, RSI overbought area, and then oversold right now in territory. From this point, it may be a good buy position because it has lost a lot of value, and from this point it may just rebound, not like here, but at least a few points, a few dollars, it can just rise. This is also a scenario. What is waiting? Just look at it here. If it just declines from here, then it will test definitely 21.40 area, $1 less, and that's the really low level of recent times. It has tested once in December, on 15 December, and jumped again, and right now we may see another decline with relaxation more and more. We may see that one, but these levels critical, so it may rebound from here. Let's look at our next chart.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
All right, our second chart is Ethereum. Ethereum and Bitcoin just was about to rise, but then stop. Reason: last night Biden just made a statement. He didn't give any clue or any future information, but just one sentence was enough. Cryptocurrencies, especially stable coins and other derivatives related to these instruments, are national security issue. He said like this. The reason behind this, a lot of cyber attacks, and then a lot of cyber like information, the other kind of hack issues related with payments of these one. Reason, for example, when you just hack or somebody hacks your computer, they ask the money, not their account, their crypto wallets. So it just stays anonymous for a lot of months. So you have to apply for court, and then court apply for information from the market, crypto markets, and then they just supply that one in normal conditions. Just bank accounts, just name, surname, IBAN, everything, a bank account number, all these things are certain, and then they cannot make it easily. So he just said this. It's not a good sign for crypto markets. We may see a tough regulation by SEC in coming months, because they have given this signal. That's why we see decline in the market. That's important. As long as at this level, we may expect to rise a bit because it's testing support and not going in future. But if just goes in future, it will test really low level, which is below 2000, and we may see those levels being tested in Ethereum. All right, our last chart is GBP USD. GBP USD right now just consolidating, just accumulating in here. Recent like gains in dollar index just made these currency pair low levels, but these may short-live it, because like next week there will be a Bank of England rate decision, and many people are expecting to raise raise the rates from 0.25 to 0.50%. So if that happens, we will definitely see a rebound on this currency pair. That's why I just want to show you this opportunity. As I said, this level, that's why like we don't see the same decline as euro dollar in this one, because people just say that all right, it's already next week, and then people and everybody is expecting a rate rise from Bank of England, so no need to sell that much. It's supporting the level. But if that doesn't happen, we may see that delayed sell-off next week. That's also another important thing. Thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more analysis this afternoon on closing video. Have a nice and profitable day. Bye.